Over the past 18 months, the Pakistani military has twice declared victory over militants in the northwestern regions of Bajor and Maman. But the militants have re-emerged in these areas, believed to be their strongholds.
There are some militants reported in Bajor and Maman agency, although they cannot roam about openly, but they are reported. So the government is going to go for them during this year and clean them absolutely.
Despite the 2-year military operations in Bajor agency, the militants have started to send out pamphlets warning the paramilitary forces to stop the offensive or face the consequences. They have also cautioned the local peace committees or pro-government elders to break up their relations with the security forces.
The government has time and again claimed to have cleared our areas of militants, but sporadic clashes between the troops and the militants do happen off and on. So we don't know whether Taliban have been eradicated or they are still regrouping.
Following this, a fierce clash broke out in the dead of the night, which according to the army left 10 soldiers and 63 militants dead. The militants also captured 40 Pakistani soldiers during raid in Maman tribal areas. The report of the militants capturing Pakistani troops came a day after the Taliban denied receiving support from the Pakistan's intelligence services. Experts say the high number of the casualties from both sides is evidence that the militants are still active in the restive regions. In the face of new military offensive, militants have been forced to hide in the tribal areas. However, that does not mean that terror has gone away. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.